Okay, guys, let me answer this question too. How to translate the Chinese app to English. There are some differences between Web 1688 and 1688 app. So because of that, sometimes you need to translate the app to English so that you understand what you are doing. Well, by the time you go deep into the app, you will not need to translate anymore. But let me show you how to do that on the app. Okay, so this is how your app looks like. All you have to do is take a screenshot of the page that you want to translate. Then you go to your Google Translate. When you take the screenshot of the page you want to translate, you go to your Google Translate like this one. Then you click on that camera icon. It will take you to your gallery. Then you select the picture that you just screenshot, and it will translate it for you like this one. So that is how to translate on the app. If you have enough space on your phone, then you can do this. Another method is by using your Google Chrome. Since you have Google Translate on your phone, you can go to your Google Chrome, search for 1688.com on your Google Chrome. It has to be in Chinese. You search for 1688.com on your Google Chrome, then it will take you to the main page, 1688 page. Then since you have Google Translate on your phone, it will automatically translate like this one. It will translate it to English. Whatever you want to do on Chrome and it's not in English, as long as you have Google Translate on your phone, it will translate it automatically to English. So that is how to translate 1688 to English. I hope you like this. If you like it, please like this video and follow me for more. All right, see you in another